This raspberry jam is so easy. All you need is just two ingredients: sugar and raspberry. Turn your stove to medium, pour in all your raspberry, and just keep working it until they break into small pieces. And they will look a little bit dry, but don't worry, just keep working on it until they are all broken into pieces. Continue to work on your raspberry on medium heat, and you will start noticing that the juice is slowly coming out, which is great, and that's what you need to look for. And when the juice starts to come out and when it starts to boil up, that's when you have to put your sugar into the microwave. Yes, your sugar into the microwave. It sounds kind of funny, but trust me, it will work. Into the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. And when it's done, you can take out the hot sugar. It will be kind of hot. And take it out and pour into your mixture of raspberry. Continue to stir it, work in your sugar into your raspberry. Continue to work on it and let it boil for about 2 to 5 minutes until it's thickened. After it's been boiling for 2 to 5 minutes, you'll start seeing those foamy and gunky stuff on the top. You can go ahead and scoop them out or leave them in there if you want. For me, I prefer to scoop them out. Once you're done scooping those out, you can take a little bit of the raspberry jam and put it onto a plate to test it out to see if it's gelling up or not. And if it is, then you know it's ready. The consistency of my raspberry jam is not that thick, as you can see. The reason why I don't want it that thick is because if I want it thicker, that means I have to add in more sugar. And I want my jam to be less sweet. So that way when I put it or use it as my macaron filling, it's not overly sweet. If you prefer your jam to be sweeter and thicker, you can definitely add more sugar to it.